Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a base voice and setting the scene. Open Capcut, load your clip, and add a text layer. Once done, tap text-to-speech and play a few presets to hear their character. Make sure to pick a voice that matches the mood you want, a warmer voice for narration, sharper for commands. This first choice defines your adjustments, so don't skip auditioning multiple options before moving on to custom tuning. Next, modify speed and pitch to make the speech distinct. Slow it slightly or push speed to create urgency. Once done, tweak the pitch. Lowering adds authority, raising adds youthfulness. Then, apply built-in effects like reverb or equalizer to sculpt clarity and presence. Make sure to duplicate the TTS clip and offset one copy subtly for a chorus or stereo feel when you want depth. These adjustments are where Capcut transforms a default voice into something unique. Finally, polish dynamics and export. Automate volume to lift keywords, cut harsh sibilants with EQ, and tighten timing against visuals. Once done, render a short test file at full quality and listen on headphones to confirm naturalness and sync. If the result sounds robotic, make small iterative changes. Reduce speed by 5–10% or nudge pitch slightly, then re-render. This troubleshooting loop quickly resolves common issues and gets your TTS sounding human and tailored to the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.